Hey guys, welcome to Social Nerd. This is Upama Sherpa, and in today's video I'll show you how you can full reset and clear Instagram Explorer page. The Instagram app tries to give its user an improved experience every time. The app analyzes the profile the user views, the picture they like, and certain other things like search history, etc. And based on that, the app shows customized feed in the Explorer page. This enables the user to discover more pictures and videos from the category that they like. But sometimes the Explore page starts giving irrelevant content or repetitive content. That is good indication to clear and reset your Explore page on Instagram. So in order to do that, you just have to watch this video very carefully and follow these simple steps. First, you need to log into your Instagram account and tap on it to open. Here at the bottom right hand side corner, you can see your profile icon. Tap on it. Once you tap on it, you can see the three horizontal lines on the upper right hand side corner. Tap on it. Go to the settings option. Here you can see various options available. Now you need to go to the security option and tap on it. Once you tap on it, on the data and history section, you can see the search history option. Tap on it. Once you have tapped on it, you can see all the pages once you have searched in Instagram. So here you can see the clear all options right next to the recent searches. Tap on it. And here on clear search history confirmation, go to the clear all and tap on it. By doing this, you will delete all the previous searches you have made, and consequently your Instagram Explorer page will be reset. Now if you go to the bottom of your screen and tap on the search icon, you can see your previous searches that you have made on Instagram has been cleared. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and stay up to date for more videos like this. Bye bye.